Did you know that your shoes could actually be causing your knee pain? I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about your shoes and how they're involved with your knee movement and mechanics and potentially your knee pain in this video. So if you don't have the right support in your feet when you're walking, running, or just doing things around the house, then your arch is going to move in different ways. And when your foot moves in different ways, that causes your knee to move more in or move more out, and it causes a various amount of stress in different areas of your knee. And so you want to keep in mind that your shoes are really important with your knee pain, and if you are having prolonged chronic knee pain, then it's worth looking into, hey, what are these shoes I'm wearing and are they really best for me? So there's 3 different types of shoes. I'm breaking it down really simply so it's easier to understand. So you have your minimalist shoes. This isn't even considered a minimalist shoe, but in my opinion, it is minimalist because you can just take it and bend it any way that you want. So it doesn't have much stability. Now you have these cloud shoes, which are a big fad right now. A lot of people are buying them because they're really comfortable. They can bend in the forefoot as all shoes can. They're more rigid in the middle, which tells you it's more of a stability shoes. If you do have an arch that's dropping a lot and you feel unstable in the foot, this is going to be a decent amount of support. These Sauconys are also a really good shoe. These are the ones that I train in because I need more stability, and they're pretty rigid as well. Now, keep in mind that everybody is different and needs different things. So it's not like everyone should buy this shoe or everyone should buy this shoe. I just want you to be aware that there's different shoes for different people. And if you're having knee pain, it's worth looking into and assessing. Now, so if your arch is dropping a lot, it's called pronation. Your foot's gonna drop down and it's gonna turn in. It's gonna turn that knee in. So that can a lot of times cause knee pain on the inside of your knee or even on the outside of your knee. It can also cause pain underneath your kneecap. So getting a more stable shoe can really benefit you. Now, an easier fix that's not as long-term, if you want to just assess if it's going to be helpful, is getting a pair of generic orthotics. I'll include some links below for some good quality shoes, but also some good orthotics. So an orthotic is just a shoe insert that goes in there, and it's going to give you a little bit more surface area that's going to contact the arch of your foot. I swear by Power Steps. Those were what I use with my patients, and I have for a long period of time. And what you can do, they're going to cost probably 30 to 45 bucks, and you can put them in whatever shoe you want. If you find out that your orthotics are beneficial for you and that the inserts have helped, then you're going to want to start looking at your shoes and not just get orthotics, but you're going to want to get a more stable shoe, because if you put orthotics in a shoe like this, that orthotics is not going to last very long. It's like building a house on sand. If you put an insert in one of these shoes, it's going to bend and mold, and eventually the orthotic will just deteriorate. And then if you notice that, hey, man, this is making my knee feel better, then you know that 1, your feet are involved, but 2, that the orthotics help, and 3, that you need to get not just orthotics, but a more stable shoe that's going to give you more support. If you're trying to figure out what to do beyond just getting different shoes and orthotics for your knee pain, then that's where my online knee rehab course could be really beneficial for you. It's in the links below, and ultimately what we do is over 28 days, I'll walk you through day by day, stretches you should be doing on your own, different strengthening exercises you should be doing, manual techniques. It's all at a fraction of the price of seeing a provider in person. But definitely start looking into these shoes and take a look at our course, and let's get that knee pain fixed.